Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
National Secretary ka BJP wadipet yaga jala Meghalaya Anil ke Anthony Henegasngi habakran makinong thok khubor halor ka election MDC Ghadc ulong bakaseng kala Pynkhreh watla ka sarkar kala sange shipor yaka Anthony ulong baka BJP ka digaway ni kiseng san perthei ban pinbnai ki kirtong MDC hashwa bakitu ki jingja kinwanja hak bakaseng kala pinbna ya arbu khnai ngut ki kirtong bat ki kirtong jong ka seng ki don bat upat ba banetrelang bat ki habaro ki liang ulong bakaseng ka don arngut ki MDC Ghadc bat ki don ka jingkerman bakin job khambun shu da ka jing treshtom jong ki no yalam jong ka seng habe de bat ki election hayong dor bar thawan ka jila hausnam arja pupra Anthony ulong baka BJP kan sale bha bat job khambun banya ka badan Bynta haka than stila mingi ka seng hagni gisnam baladab kamdon bun ki MLA Henry da ka jing treshtom ka BJP ringkat bat ka genhun jong ka NDA kilayo ban sanshar hnyotali ki jila na ki pratali haka ba southali ki jila la sanshar da ka BJP kata ka Assam Arunachal Pradesh Manipur bat Tripura
The DC elections have been postponed, I believe, to October. But the Bharatiya Janata Party was fully prepared for that election. Before the unfortunate turn of events, we were one of the first parties to announce our candidates for that election. In 29 seats, almost every seat except 3 or 4, we had announced our candidates and our candidates were on the ground. Last time we had 2 seats there. This time we will definitely improve our performance. And 2028 you can expect the Bharatiya Janata Party to be a much bigger political player in the state of Meghalaya also. In the last few years across the northeast, the Bharatiya Janata Party has been expanding our footprints. 7 years back in the northeast, the party did not have a single state. Now 7 of the 8 states are governed by the NDA, including Meghalaya. 4 states, the BJP is the largest party, including in Assam, Arunachal, Manipur and Tripura. And in other states also the party is expanding our footprints. We will definitely see the party expand and get more representatives here. Like in every other state, the party is aspiring to be the number 1 party in Meghalaya also.